A big part of financial freedom is having your heart and mind free from worry about the what-ifs of life. When you have real power, you don't threaten. People know what your capabilities are. The key to making money is to stay invested. When you are grateful, fear disappears and abundance appears. True generosity is an offering, given freely and out of pure love. No strings attached. No expectations. You need a plan to build a house. To build a life, it is even more important to have a plan or goal. The only way you will ever permanently take control of your financial life is to dig deep and fix the root problem. If you liked the message of this video, leave your comment, writing which quote you liked the most. There are other messages from other authors that you will certainly like to see and reflect on.